kayo, di ba? Ang pinag-aawayan niyo sobrang common, sobrang mundane, sobrang parang wala lang. Pwede pag-awayan niyo yung toothbrush, pwede pag-awayan niyo ano. So, ganun, we're trying to make it as real as possible. So, paano maging ganun? Ay, tama yung sickness na yan kasi kami dati ni Kulit nag-away kami dyan dati dahil lang sila So, ayun.
So would you say it was Piolo or Gino's mistake more than sino medyo mas mabigat ang sakripisyo sa relasyon?
Ano naman, at the end of the day, parang wala naman talagang tama or mali. Mas important kung sino yung willing to forgive. Yun po. So, it wasn't really Gino or Trixie's mistake. Diba? Flawed characters just like real people. Diba? Madami ng imperfections. Na kaya ka maging kumbaga perfect kasi nagpupuno ng imperfections. So, parang ganun.
When the script comes alive when you're doing the film, do you also think of other variations from your former concept or as it is the way you conceptualize, hindi pinabinabago?
Thankfully, maganda po yung pre-production process namin. With Tonet, with Chris Gasman, tapos yung dalawa pa, so okay ka usap ng building the character, na paano ko, nandito tayo ngayon, and yung character mo at this point of the story. So yun, thankfully, hindi kami masyado lumihis dun sa objective ng pelikula.
Si Direk Tonet naman okay lang kasi marami mong ginagawa sabay-sabay. How do you juggle the time to focus on one particular work, put your heart on it, tapos come up with something, wow, I did this.
Yung personality ko po kasi talaga, hindi ako yung one thing at a time na ginagawa. Gusto ko, kasi malaki yung utak ko, so gusto ko pag may naisip ako, gagawin ko na siya agad. Kasi pag hindi ko siya ginawa agad, napapasok siya sa utak ko, nawawala siya. So, kaya marami ako ginagawa at every time. Kasi pag gusto ko yung isang bagay, gagawin ko siya. Bahala na si Batman.
If you have an alternative title for the movie, kung hindi siya the breakup playlist, palagay mo ano yung title?
Isipan natin. Maganda.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. At ang susunod na magtatanong naman, ayan, ate, okay, go.
Mr. Piol, sorry, you've mentioned already the